welcome to Inner Light. My name is Angela, and in this video we're going to explore how powerful affirmations, when we contemplate them, embody them, and make them our own, how they can transform our lives from the inside out. This video is an excerpt of a service done at Unity on the Bay, and I'm going to include a link below to their website. If you have not done so, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel, and let us begin. And so tonight I would like to talk about an affirmation that if we develop the habit of bringing it to remembrance again and again, it can cause a profound transformation from the inside out. And that is, I am light. And when we affirm, I am light, we are also affirming, I am immortal, I am eternal, I am unlimited, and I am abundant. And I know that most of us believe it to be true. However, when we look at the circumstances in the world outside of ourselves, we seem to think that it does not reflect that belief. And the reason is this: 88% of our mind is composed of our subconsciousness, and only 12% is composed of our consciousness. So if at a conscious level I believe that I am unlimited and abundant, but if at a subconscious level I believe that I am separate and limited, the universe will respond to my subconscious belief. So the question is there anything that we can do on a daily basis to change our belief at a subconscious level? And the answer is yes. Our subconsciousness learns through repetition. So the purpose of bringing this affirmation through remembrance again and again is precisely to have an impact at a subconscious level, so that belief eventually becomes a conviction in our heart. There is a lesson in the Course in Miracles that I found it very inspiring and important, and it says something like this, that we all have a function in life. And I know that perhaps we think that our function has to do with some external activity, perhaps a job, a career, a service, a ministry. But the Course teaches us that our function is to remember who we are in each holy instant. In other words, our function is to constantly bring to remembrance our divinity in each present moment. And it says that by doing so, everything else is added unto us. The new career, the new job, the new ministry, everything else becomes just an added thing. And so about a year ago, with the pandemic going on, I had more time to spend by myself in introspection, and I decided to follow the teaching, and I began to implement an affirmation that is very similar to that. And that affirmation is something like this: I am the holy and abundant daughter of God. I am loved, I am cared for, and I am worthy of miracles. See, this is just another way of saying, I am light. And so I would like to invite you, for the time being, in the near future, to begin to pick up an affirmation that touches your heart and constantly bring it to remembrance again and again. See, the spiritual path is all about acquiring new habits of mind. It's not something that we do for a week or for a month. We do that as a way of being. We are acquiring new habits of mind, which will eventually transform ourselves at a subconscious level. So I'd like to invite you to pick up an affirmation. You can say, I am the Christ, or I am the light, or I am the Holy Son of God. Whatever gets you in touch with the feeling of oneness, the feeling that you are heirs to all of the heavenly riches. And just get in touch with that and delight yourself in it, savor it, taste it, begin to create a relationship with your own presence. And that's how you begin to see a transformation at a deeper level. So I'm going to guide us into a short meditation tonight. And we're going to get in touch with that feeling, the I am presence that we are. And for you to bring it to remembrance when you're not here sometime in the future. And so I invite you to close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. And begin to release the business of this day. Allowing yourself to experience this deep and profound sense of relaxation as you focus your attention in your physical body, all the muscles of your body, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper into a state of inner stillness, a profound sense of peace. Your mind is clear. You're fully present right here and right now with nothing to worry and nothing to be concerned. I invite you in this moment to open up your heart to receive the love that is being offered to you in this very moment by the one that has created you. Allow your heart to be filled with love, filled with peace, filled with confidence. Your spiritual home is within you, here and now. As you develop the habit of returning to this spiritual home, you feel nourished, you feel empowered, you feel at peace. This love that has created us in its own image and likeness. Magnificent. All powerful. He gave us dominion over all the things of this earth. And we are slowly returning home to claim our divine heritage. And so I invite you to silently repeat to yourself, I am light. I am immortal. I am unlimited. I am pure joy. I am peace. I am free. That which I have been looking for, I am. And in this moment, I claim my divine heritage fully aware of who I am. And I move forward in life, confident, guided, and abundantly blessed. So let us spend a few moments in complete silence. And now, feeling confident and empowered by the realization of who you truly are, I invite you to very gently begin to bring your attention to your body, allowing yourself to awaken from this wonderful experience of communion and relaxation. And whenever you're ready, you can open up your eyes.
You are the one you have been waiting for. I am the light, you are the light. Let's be the light. I am the light, you are the light. Let's be the light we wish to see.
Always remember, it's not about doing, but about being. If we learn to embody the truth of who we are, by contemplating it, by spending time with it again and again and again, we will become convinced that indeed we are the light of the world. If you enjoyed this video and would like to share with someone that you know of, please feel free to do so. If you have not subscribed, I would encourage you to subscribe one more time and click the like button below. Having said that, I really appreciate you watching this video, and from my heart to your heart, I see you in love and light.
To see in the world. And if there are mountains, just keep walking.